I've been to the Turks before, now that I think about it. Let's take a peripheral. Georgetown. Let's take a look at the court. I'll take care of you all first, and then I'll swing back around. People coming back in.
I had to search it, but it's there.
Souvenirs, snow cones, Christmas ornament. I don't know what that's about. Oh, Cayman keepsakes. The eatery shop, diamond makers. A place to rest. Cigars. More jewelry. More sitting out. Not a real big port, you know, just a couple of things. Like in some shops upstairs too, maybe. You won't be here long. More jewelry, more shops. I guess you can go outside if you want to. Want to go outside? Which I don't think he is going to do. Showing little small little things. Jewelry. Hey! More treasure. Cute little surfboard thing. Too hot. Liquor restaurant. And we are back to the beginning. Restrooms. So, not a lot. Reminds me of Cozumel a little bit. So that was a quick little tour for what's in the port, and you go back in that door over there. All right, that was a quick little tour of the port. The little eatery area folks doing. We won't be here long. Just nice to get off the ship for a minute. Fresh air. And it's a wrap. He came outside to the front street. Of course, you got shops and stuff right out front. We got jerk chicken, $15. Jerk pork, $15. Jerk combo. You may buy a shirt. All right, he's gonna walk a couple of blocks. At least say we put our feet on the ground, not on the water only. So we'll see what's close. Restaurant, few of the shops. He ain't going far. It's like 1:15. You gotta be back on the boat by 3. He don't like to wait till the last minute, so he want to be back on by 2. So he only gonna walk
Right here.
probably right here at this corner. He gonna cross over gonna take a picture of some of the people in the water. Hey there. Italian restaurant. Some people found a good little place to enjoy themselves. There's a ship out there in the water. Hello. It's a craft market.
That would be the baby down to the corner. That would be $12 Cayman. Like to go market. Hi, girls. That one was
What's up, man? Hello. Got the tiger bracelets. He went a little bit further. I see a mall, Bayside Mall. Some more shops. So from the bay, you walk down the street and he may give himself 10 minutes walking and then he'll turn back around. All right, we put that work in. We're on our way back to the boat. Walking out. Y'all see the ship out there on the water. Here's the little boat. We're about to get on the boat, all right?